Welcome to Italy, a land steeped in ancient history, artistic brilliance, and culinary excellence. As we explore this enchanting peninsula, we'll uncover remarkable cities, breathtaking coastlines, and timeless cultural treasures. Whether you're drawn to the echoes of the Roman Empire, the elegance of Renaissance art, or the flavors of Italian cuisine, Italy offers something extraordinary for every traveler. Here are 5 must-visit destinations in this captivating country. First up, Rome, Italy's capital, a city where the past and present seamlessly intertwine. Walking through its historic streets feels like stepping into a living museum where grand ruins and Baroque masterpieces coexist with vibrant modern life. Begin at the Colosseum, the legendary amphitheater that once roared with the cheers of 50,000 spectators. Wander its ancient corridors, where gladiators once battled, and imagine the spectacle that unfolded here centuries ago. Just a stone's throw from the Colosseum, the Roman Forum showcases the remnants of temples, basilicas, and government buildings that once formed the heart of ancient Rome. Walking through these ruins offers a vivid glimpse into the grandeur and complexity of ancient Roman civilization. Adjacent to the Forum, Palatine Hill provides additional insight into Rome's legendary origins and offers stunning views over the ancient city. A short journey across the Tiber River brings you to Vatican City, a sovereign state located entirely within Rome that unveils some of the world's most treasured artistic and religious wonders. Step inside St. Peter's Basilica, crowned by Michelangelo's dome, and gaze up at the frescoed ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, home to the iconic creation of Adam. Beyond the historic sights, Rome's street life is an experience in itself. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain and marvel at its Baroque splendor. Then stroll to the Pantheon, a 2,000-year-old temple crowned by its gravity-defying oculus. From there, cross the Tiber River via the scenic Ponte Sisto and explore Trastevere's lively cobbled alleys, where local trattorias and cafes bring the neighborhood to life. With excellent public transport and a compact city center, Rome invites visitors to explore its many wonders with ease. From here, we glide across the canals to our next stop, Venice, the city of canals. Venice is a city like no other, an intricate network of canals, romantic bridges, and centuries-old palaces. With its dreamy atmosphere and artistic heritage, it's a place that lingers in memory long after you leave. Glide through the narrow waterways on a gondola ride, passing beneath stone archways and pastel-colored facades. At the heart of the city lies St. Mark's Basilica, an architectural masterpiece adorned with golden mosaics, reflecting Venice's mercantile past. Just steps away, Piazza San Marco offers a lively gathering space surrounded by historic landmarks, including the Doge's Palace and the soaring Campanile. Cross the Rialto Bridge, the oldest spanning the Grand Canal, offering postcard-perfect views of Venice's shimmering waterways. For a deeper dive into the city's artistry, take a boat to Murano, where master glassmakers have been crafting delicate creations for centuries. Venice's unique blend of historical charm and serene waterways sets it apart from any other city. Leaving Venice, we set our sights on Florence, the radiant heart of the Renaissance. Florence is a treasure trove of artistic and architectural brilliance. Every corner of this city whispers tales of innovation, creativity, and grandeur. Standing at its heart is the Florence Cathedral, crowned by Brunelleschi's magnificent dome, a feat of engineering that has awed visitors for centuries. Art enthusiasts will be spellbound by the Uffizi Gallery, housing an incredible collection of Renaissance art. A stroll across the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's medieval bridge, offers a glimpse into the past with its row of goldsmith shops lining the walkway. Florence is a gateway to the stunning landscapes of Tuscany, where rolling vineyards and medieval villages await. Let's explore this idyllic countryside next. Tuscany is the embodiment of Italian romance, where sun-drenched vineyards, cypress-lined roads, and medieval hilltop towns create a picture-perfect escape. The medieval city of Siena boasts a striking cathedral and the famous Piazza del Campo, where the thrilling Palio horse race takes place twice a year. Nearby, San Gimignano, known as the Town of Fine Towers, offers panoramic views and a taste of Tuscany's renowned wines. Speaking of wine, no visit to Tuscany is complete without a vineyard tour where you can savor crisp whites and bold reds and learn about age-old winemaking traditions. Meandering through the countryside, you'll find charming farmhouses, rustic trattorias, and breathtaking landscapes that seem straight out of a painting. But now, it's time to trade rolling hills for dramatic cliffs as we head to the Amalfi Coast, our final stop in Italy. The Amalfi Coast, a dazzling stretch of coastline where colorful villages cling to steep cliffs and the sea glows in brilliant shades of blue. The town of Positano enchants with its cascading pastel buildings, narrow staircases, and vibrant beachside cafes. Traveling between these picturesque towns is an adventure in itself, whether by ferry, winding coastal roads, or scenic hiking trails like the Path of the Gods. To fully enjoy the region, allow at least 5 days, especially if relying on public transport. The best times to visit are early spring or late autumn, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds have thinned. As we wrap up our journey through Italy, we've experienced a country where history, art, and breathtaking landscapes come together in perfect harmony. From the ancient streets of Rome to the sun-kissed shores of Amalfi, Italy's magic is undeniable. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. See you in the next one.